Hi guys, today we will be looking into a picoCTF problem that is 13. You can find this problem on picoCTF website. So we will start with this. This is a basic problem that is under the easy level category. And if we talk about the category of problem, it is from cryptography nature. So it has occurred in picoCTF 2019. So it's a very basic level problem. We will now look into the problem. What it says is cryptography can be easy. Do you know what ROT13 is? And they have given some specific hint or a form of flag which has been scrambled. So what we will do, we will first try to learn about what is ROT13. So if we search on Google what is ROT13, we will find some Wikipedia pages and some engines that can solve ROT13. If you want to learn about ROT13, you can click here on ROT13. Once you click here, you can just understand ROT13 is nothing but a cipher which has been generated after replacing a letter with the 13th position letter from the first one. For example, A has been replaced with N, B has been replaced with O, and furthermore. So this system of creating ciphers is known as ROT13. So once we know about ROT13, we can do with pen and paper. You just take pen and paper, write down ABCD and solve it. Or in like easy way, we can just copy this cipher from here and we'll place into this one. And you can see this was easy level problem. That's why we easily got the flag after deciphering the text. And once we submit, it will show the flag was correct. So this was the very easy problem that we solved. Thank you for watching.